Babalu.
Welcome back. This pastry is not sweet, and get ready to turn up the heat. Jill Garcia Schmidt from the Culinary Center of Kansas City is here to show us how to make Cuban beef empanadas. So we're looking at all the ingredients, right? Our meat's in here, but we also have a couple surprise ingredients.
Yes, so traditionally speaking, in a picadillo, which is the beef filling that we're making for
Say that one more time.
Picadillo.
Picadillo.
Yes. The two L's make the Y sound.
Yeah.
Okay. You've got ground beef, onion, garlic, tomato, which are fairly traditional. But in Cuban picadillo, they're going to add green olives and golden raisins. So those are in there as well. The golden raisins add a little sweetness, and the olives add that little bit of sour and acidity to it.
Well, we kind of give it that sort of taste that maybe you can't put your finger on, but you're like, this is what separates it.
Exactly.
Okay.
So I'm going to have you go ahead and build a couple of empanadas, or these are little, so we call them empanitas. All right?
Empanita.
Yep. And in my mortar over here, I've got my parsley, my cilantro, my garlic, and I'm going to add some jalapeno. How spicy do you like to go?
Oh, let's go spicy.
Okay.
With this.
All right.
A couple jalapenos at least.
Okay. We got some jalapenos in there. I'm going to include the seeds then.
Just fold this over, right?
Yep, just fold that over, pinch it together, and then you'll use your fork to crimp it. I'm gonna add some oil to this. I'm gonna add a little bit of red wine vinegar. And I've got some lime juice in there already, and a little bit of salt. And the salt is gonna flavor it, but it's also gonna help work out some of the texture as I go in with my mortar and pestle and just start to really break this up. Now in Spanish, this is called a molcajete, and that's what they would use to make this chimichurri sauce.
Well, see, and everything you're going to grind down, because I just made chimichurri last night, is it actually turns into a paste, so that's wonderful.
Yeah, you can put it in a blender, you can put it in your food processor, you can chop it up and leave it kind of crudo or raw, rough looking.
So why did you guys decide to do the mortar and pestle?
Because we're the Culinary Center of Kansas City.
That's why, that's the best answer.
And that's what we do. So these are the kinds of things that you can find at Cafe Babalu, which again, we're gonna do on March 20th. But keep in mind that what we do at the Culinary Center is we teach the home cook how to kick it up in the kitchen, all right?
Yeah.
And our entire mission is to create an experience for you. And we've been doing that in Kansas City for over 20 years.
So when you're talking about the Cafe Babalu too, is there going to be any music a part of this as well?
The Kansas City native band, the Cubanisms is going to be there. And they're going to be doing some live music while we have some dance instructors who are going to be teaching people how to do the merengue, the rumba, the salsa.
Oh my gosh, you're selling my heart right now.
Well, where aren't you coming? You got plans on March 20th, I guess?
I guess I'm going to be there. You know what? Do you think that maybe we just have a little bit of time left? Yeah, can we throw that in? Okay.
Let's go ahead and get some of these in here. So I've got some oil in a pan that's nice and hot. And I'm gonna start to pan fry these a little bit.
Do you mind if I take a bite of this one?
Okay, and get a little bit of the chimichurri on there if you want some.
Just dip it in?
Yeah, just dip it in there a little bit. It's a little crudo right now, a little rough, but that's fine. So the empanada dough, you could, if you don't want to make the empanada dough, you can use store-bought pie dough. Not a big deal. Puff pastry will work. Pretty much anything.
Jill, I have to say this is such a winner. Thank you so much for bringing beef empanadas to the show.
Absolutely, thank you.